Hey shoppers, I'm Aaron with Turnage Motors in Lexington, 4637 Augusta Road, turnagemotorco.com. Folks, if you're looking for a cool 4x4, I don't know if you can get them much cheaper and cooler than an H3, especially one with some big wheels, a little bit of a lift, and this thing just looks gnarly. It's been down at the beach its whole life. No rust through the frame or anything like that, but it has some ugly underneath, just surface rust. This thing runs excellent though. It looks really good, really cool stance. Drives great. It's only got 113,000 miles. Sorry, let me back up. 2008 Hummer H3, all-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, 113,000 miles on it. Really nice paint all the way around, except for the fender flares have some fading on the top of them, as you can see there. And this passenger fog light's got some moisture in it, but not bad. If it were mine, I would take those fender flares off all the way around and put some rhino liner on them to give it a meaty look. Put some fresh stripes down the side maybe, or just get rid of those. Put a big roof rack up there on that flat roof and some fancy new headlights, and this thing would be gnarly. Interior is just about like new. Excellent condition. AC is good and cold. It's telling you oil service due. We just got this one, so we'll be servicing it. Turn off these headlights. There we go. Radio does work just fine. Four-wheel drive works fine, but the radio needs some work. The tweeters are the only things working, it sounds like. So maybe these door speakers are disconnected. No owner's manual in there, but you do have some wheel locks or something from that aftermarket set of wheels. Steering wheel is in excellent shape. The cruise control does work. All the power windows work except for that one over there. I will also be fixing that. A couple things that'll be done during service. Of course, the seats lay down to give you a good amount of cargo space. Got a nice meaty spare tire back here with a matching wheel. We're missing this little cover piece on this door and the driver door. Once again, little items that can be obtained pretty easily. Got a rubber liner built in with a carpet mat just for looks. Got your jack and tools stored in the door. And you've got your tow receiver down there. Folks, this is a cool four-wheel drive for the money. Way cooler than any 4x4, any side-by-side you're gonna get for this kind of money. Give me a call, 803-853-4300. I would love to help you. Thanks for watching.